Are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance? Well, Nokia's got something huge coming your way. The much-anticipated Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G is set to blow your mind, with features you never thought you'd see in this price range. Stick around till the end of the video, because today, we'll be show all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerhouse smartphone. Let's dive right in. Display. First off, let's talk about the stunning display. The Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G comes with a massive 6.85-inch Super AMOLED screen. We're talking 4K resolution, a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and of course, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 for protection. It's the perfect canvas for your videos, games, and photos. And for extra peace of mind, this beauty has a fingerprint sensor embedded right into the display. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the star of the show, the camera. The Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G packs an insane 150-megapixel primary camera, so you'll be snapping professional-level shots in any light. But that's not all. You also get a dual 5-megapixel camera setup for depth and wide-angle shots, and a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies that will make you look like a pro. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, the Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G is built for gaming and heavy multitasking. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, you'll get lightning-fast performance. And with Android 15, everything runs smoothly with an intuitive and efficient experience. Battery life. The Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G is a marathon runner, not a sprinter. It comes with a massive 8500 mAh battery, so you can go all day long without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, with 100-watt super fast charging, you can power up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, here's the big question: how much will it cost? The Nokia Maze Pro Max 5G is expected to be priced around $600, unbelievable for the specs you're getting. And the best part, it's launching by the end of this year, so get ready to grab one as soon as it hits the shelves.